Have you ever invested your hard-earned money into something and then felt completely in the dark about where it's going? Like, you handed over your cash, but then there's this big, mysterious void of information. Well, today, we're diving into whether Wealthsimple, this popular investment platform, gives you the transparency you deserve. Does Wealthsimple have a dashboard? Let's find out. Now, I know what you're thinking. A dashboard? Isn't that just tech jargon for a fancy-looking page with numbers? Well, yes and no. In the world of investments, a dashboard is your command center. It's where you should be able to see, at a glance, how your money is performing. It's your financial cockpit, if you will. So, if Wealthsimple doesn't have one, how are you supposed to fly your financial plane? Let's break it down. What should a solid investment dashboard do? Well, first and foremost, it should give you a clear overview of your portfolio. How much money do you have invested? What's your overall return? Are you making or losing money? These are basic questions that need basic answers. Secondly, it should provide details about your individual investments. What stocks or ETFs do you own? How are they performing? Are they paying dividends? These are the nitty-gritty details that help you understand where your money is going and how it's growing. And finally, a good dashboard should offer some level of customization. Everyone's financial goals are different. Some people want to see their investments in a pie chart, others prefer a bar graph. Some want to focus on short-term gains, while others are playing the long game. A decent dashboard will let you tailor the view to your specific needs. So, does Wealthsimple deliver on these fronts? Let's take a virtual tour. Insert screen recordings or images of the Wealthsimple platform here to visually demonstrate the points made. First impressions are important, and Wealthsimple's platform does look sleek and modern. But does it function as a proper dashboard? Well, it does provide a basic overview of your portfolio. You can see your total balance, your overall return, and a breakdown of your asset allocation. So, it passes the first test. When it comes to individual investments, Wealthsimple also gets a passing grade. You can see a list of your holdings, their current prices, and how much you've invested in each. It's pretty straightforward. But where Wealthsimple starts to fall short is in the customization department. While you can filter your investments by type, stocks, ETFs, etc., you can't really rearrange the information or choose how it's displayed. It's a one-size-fits-all approach, which might not be ideal for everyone. Also, while Wealthsimple provides some performance data, it doesn't go into as much depth as some other platforms. You can see your overall return, but you might have to dig a little deeper to find details about individual investments. So, to sum it up, Wealthsimple does have a dashboard of sorts, but it's more of a cockpit than a control tower. It gives you the basic information you need, but it doesn't offer the level of customization and detail that some investors might crave. Now, I'm not saying Wealthsimple is a bad platform. It has its strengths, and it's definitely worth considering if you're new to investing. But if you're someone who likes to have a deep understanding of your investments, you might want to look for a platform with a more robust dashboard. Ultimately, the best dashboard is the one that works for you. So, take some time to explore different options and find the platform that gives you the information you need to make informed decisions about your money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.